Rock bottom doesn't destroy you. It introduces you to the real you. There are moments in life when everything you thought was secure crumbles. No warning, no backup plan, just silence, and the slow, sinking feeling that no one is coming to save you. This is the story of Tom, a 25-year-old from a beautiful city, a man who went from nearly giving up on life to building a lion mentality that changed everything. Tom wasn't born into wealth, no silver spoon, no famous surname. He was raised by a hard-working single mom in a quiet suburb just outside the city. Life wasn't glamorous, but it was decent. He grew up with big dreams. He wanted to build something of his own, to inspire others, to become someone his younger self would be proud of. After earning a degree in marketing, he landed a job at a mid-sized tech firm in the city. It wasn't flashy, but it was steady, a launch pad. He began waking up early, reading self-help books, hitting the gym, and even starting a small podcast on personal development. Life, in his eyes, was just beginning. He had a girlfriend he loved, a few loyal mates, and a future he could visualize. It wasn't perfect, but it felt like progress. "I'm on the way up," he would often say to himself. But no one told him how quickly a mountain can become a cliff. The storm didn't arrive all at once. It came in quiet waves that crushed louder each time. First, his company announced a mass layoff. The economy was shifting, budgets were cut. Despite his work ethic, Tom was let go. A week later, the second blow. His girlfriend ended their 3-year relationship. She said he wasn't the same anymore, that he had lost his spark. She wanted something else. And like that, gone. In the following weeks, rejection emails piled up, job applications unanswered. The messages from friends slowed, calls stopped. The podcast fell silent. He was alone in his 1-bedroom flat, with rent due, no income, and no direction. Tom found himself lying in bed at 2 a.m. one night, staring at the ceiling. What happened to me? I was supposed to be different. I was supposed to win. For a time, he let the darkness in. He stopped training, stopped reading, stopped caring. Every time he looked in the mirror, he saw someone he didn't recognize. "You're not a lion," he whispered. "You're just lost." But sometimes, rock bottom is the perfect place to rebuild. One cold December morning, Tom stood at his mirror with tired eyes and a hollow heart. He didn't have a job, he didn't have money, he didn't have applause. But in that moment, he discovered something far more valuable, a decision. "No one's coming to help me," he told himself. "But maybe that's the point. Maybe I need to become the one I've been waiting for." That was the birth of the lion mentality. It wasn't about pretending to be fearless. It was about acting, despite the fear. It was about rising, even when no one claps. It was about becoming unstoppable in silence. Tom created a plan, raw, disciplined, and simple. Wake up at 4:30 a.m., before the world moved. Work out daily, even if just push-ups in his room. No social media until noon. Read 30 minutes every day. Books on mindset, business, psychology. Learn a skill online. He chose copywriting and digital marketing. Apply to 10 jobs a day, no matter how discouraged he felt. No complaining, no blaming, no pity. For 6 months, there were no results. But he kept going. Lions don't chase applause, they chase legacy. And slowly, things shifted. His body grew stronger, his mind became sharper. His thoughts changed from "why me" to "try me." He built a blog documenting his journey, raw, unfiltered. People started reading, then sharing, then asking questions. Soon, a recruiter discovered his writing and offered him a remote position in a fast-growing personal development company. High-paying, purpose-driven, the kind of job he once only dreamed of. From there, Tom launched his own coaching brand, helping young men build discipline, overcome setbacks, and live with fire. Today, he's a recognized voice in the self-mastery space. Not because he was lucky, but because he refused to stay broken. Right now, you might be where Tom once was. No answers, no plan, just pain. But understand this. Your worst chapter does not disqualify you. It prepares you. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need a massive following. You just need a choice, the decision to rise. The world doesn't owe you anything, but it will make room for the lion who refuses to back down. Your story isn't over. Your pain is not your prison. Your past is not your future. It's fuel. So stand up, straighten your back, and take the first step, even if it's small. Because lions don't wait for the storm to pass. They learn to hunt in the rain. Subscribe to Awaken Greatness. Turn on notifications. Share this with someone who needs to rise again. You were never meant to fit in. You were born to stand out. So roar until the world remembers your name.